YouTube. I'm back with another video, and if you're new here, I'm Zenobia Nicole. Today I'll be unboxing and doing the first impressions on this company called Beaute Seoul. Beaute Seoul is a company based out of Korea. They make hair products and they target curly and wavy textures. The product they sent me is for the RiceWater challenge. It's actually a DIY kit. It's called the Beaute Seoul RiceWater DIY kit. I believe I'm pronouncing it right. As we may know, RiceWater is known to make hair fuller, thicker, and longer. I've been wanting to grow my hair a little longer, trying to get to tailbone length, so this will help me get to that length that I am desiring. And also, RiceWater is not always easy to prepare, and that's where Beaute Seoul comes into play to help us get rid of the hassle of preparing the RiceWater. This is not already made. It's a kit. They've done the work for us, and that allows us to make it on our own and help us not to run away from it because of the preparation process. Here it is. It comes shipped in an Amazon package, and they do have an Amazon store, but that's where you can order this kit from. And I'll take this out, and here is how it looks. It's wrapped up. I'm gonna take this wrapping off. Then it comes in like this paper sack, and this is how that looks, and then it's tied up. So I'm gonna just untie this. And first impression on the wrapping, I feel that this is wrapped very well. In here you get a fine mist spray bottle, and it's 10 ounces, and it's a fine mist bottle, so that's the one that spray like that. So this is very reasonable for day-to-day use, and it has Beaute Seoul RiceWater kit written on the bottle. And also inside of this you have 10 bags of the 100% natural organic Korean rice flour. So this is what this looks like, and I'm gonna actually go ahead and open this up. So yeah, you have 10 bags of the 100% natural organic Korean rice flour. So I'm gonna just pull out one of the bags, and this is what it looks like. RiceWater for hair growth, and then this is what the back look like. Each bag is about 5 grams, so that is very good. So you don't probably have to use all 10 in one, so you can probably split it in half. I haven't made this before. Also in the rice bag, along with the 10 rice packets, they have the directions. So they have the how to use and what they recommend, and the cautions that you should while using this product. Like I said, they are based out of Amazon, so you can go to this website, or you can go to their Amazon store, and you can rate them and give them 5 stars. I'm going to read off what the Beaute Seoul rice contains. So Beaute Seoul rice contains abundant vitamin A, B, and E, minerals, proteins, amino acid, and other healthy components that nourish the hairs. These will bring your hair back to life by making it longer, healthier, and brighter. So I'm ready for that. We have the directions. So this is an easy kit, because a lot of people don't know the directions or the rules to go by when using the RiceWater. Some people may keep it on too long or not long enough, so I think this is great that they did put the directions in here. That was very bright of them. They give you recommendations, and one of the recommendations is they recommend that you use the RiceWater once a week. Check your hair needs a protein treatment, and if it needs it, you use it more frequently. RiceWater is considered as a protein treatment, and as you may know, our hair is made of protein. This is actually going to help put those proteins that we lose on a day-to-day basis back into our hair. So that is a great thing. I believe this is a good starting point. I feel like this is a good kit. I feel like this is a great kit, actually. The thing I love about their packaging is that it feels very recyclable. I feel like this is very resourceful, because a lot of people don't think of the earth when they're making products. So I love that their products are organic and recyclable. Never tried the RiceWater challenge on my hair, so I'm very interested in trying this. And so today I am accepting the RiceWater challenge. I feel like that they really put their actual time and thought into this, and I'm thankful that they did reach out to me, thought of me to try this product. So thank you, Beaute Seoul. This is my honest first impressions and my unboxing. Like I said, I will be accepting the RiceWater challenge, so I will be coming back on here in the next couple of weeks or so and showing you my process of how I use it and how I apply it to my hair. I also will be giving you a honest review on my thoughts and my actual growth. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.